Right, sometimes when a graph is written in this format, it's better to just find the x and y intercepts. So it says draw a graph of 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 by finding the x and y intercepts. So we've got 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So drawing a set of axes first of all. Now, on the x-axis, this is the x-axis, the y-coordinate on the x-axis is always equal to 0. So for the x-axis, we put y is equal to 0. So what we do in here, we now substitute 0, and we get 4x plus 3 times 0 is equal to 12. Now 3 times 0, anything times 0 is 0, so we end up with 4x is equal to 12. We now divide both sides by 4, and we're going to get that x is equal to 3, and that gives me the point 30. So on the point 30, I can now put a dot. On the y-axis, x is equal to 0. So on this axis here, the x-coordinate is equal to 0. So in here, I now put x is equal to 0. So I get 4 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. We get 3y is equal to 12, and we divide both sides by 3. We get y is equal to 4. We get 0, 4. Again, we now plot that point at 0, 4. And then we take our ruler and we join that up, and again we write down the equation of the line. Right, so this has been a video to show you how to draw a straight line graph by finding the x and y intercepts. Again, it only really works well if we can get integer values to come out. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.